Hi, good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, now can you please tell me about your last job?
Last job, production operator.
So, as a production operator, what were your duties and responsibilities?
Assemble the cable, computer, and printing.
So, how long you worked there?
Almost 6 months.
6 months. It's a factory, right? It's a
Yes,
factory of electronics.
yes.
Okay, you worked there for 6 months. Why only for 6 months?
Um, End of contract.
It's not renewable?
No,
No? It's not renewable. So, since you're looking for a new opportunity here in UAE, what is your salary expectation?
1.8.
And what do you like to do most in the house? Cleaning, cooking, or babysitting?
Cleaning.
Cleaning. And what type of food can you cook?
Filipino food.
And in terms of cleaning, what particular brands or products do you use to clean a toilet?
Domex. Sunrocks.
So, in babysitting, what is your first action when a baby cries out loud? When you see a baby crying, what is the first thing that you need to do?
Give her milk.
What is your hobby?
Reading. Watching television.
And I know it's your first time here in UAE and how long you want to work here.
2. Forever.
And the last question that we have for you is, do you think you will be a good helper to your employer and why?
Yes.
Why?
Because I'm hardworking and I will do my best.
Well, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.